Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So in today's vlog we go to the bat cave where you see millions of bats come out of a cave at 6 p.m. flying over looking for food. We go on the bamboo train, we see a massive spider in our room, we visit Apopo hero rats, they're really cool, check them out. We hope you enjoy our video. Where are we?
I've been looking forward to this since we left England.
Yeah. we have rats at home, so we're very excited to see the hero rats sniffing out the bombs.
It's over there. When you finish reading, I will be here waiting for you inside the tent.
Okay.
And we're gonna start the tour together.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
What does it say for those?
Metal detectors. One rat can systematically check an area the size of a tennis court in less than 30 minutes. A D-miner with metal detector could take us 4 days to check this area. That's sick.
They're gonna be quite awake toward the midnight and they play around inside their canals. Within the 3 hours, these rats can perform quite fast and very efficient. Because in the morning it's very cool. So the rat were able to walk in a fast speed and they can smell better and the fish come out. But sometimes the explosion can make them blind by the metal strap, or it can cut off their arms or their legs. Children, it look like toys. When they see it with their friends, they pull it out. They play around with it. It activates and it hurts them. Okay? And also some people try to take the metal outside to sell because most Cambodians, they have this idea. The mortar that we shoot off at that time, not all of them will explode, right? So they have the idea that the one that did not work at that time might have stopped working already.
Right.
That's why they try to get in contact with these one. Okay? This contains about 100 grams of explosive. Comparing to the second one you see over there, that contains up to 6 kilos.
Is this toxic? I was gonna say. No. I mean, authenticity is key.
Sometimes I stand there, so no.
Hello. She's so cute.
Yeah.
I want one of these ones now.
Yeah. But we should be like that.
Oh my god.
Beautiful.
Now you know why they want to adopt them, right?
She's so cute. We love rats.
We'll set up the rat to work at the field. Normally, we attach the rat like this with the tape measure using to mark the location when the rat starts to scratch.
Okay.
Okay? Where the rat were in is the danger box, but where the people stand is the safety zone because we remove the mine out there already using metal detector. Okay? So notice in the afternoon, the rat speed is very different from the morning. They are very sleepy right now.
So is there like a dummy mine in this?
Yeah, we got a little bit of explosive hidden in that shell, but was away in the middle part over there. It was not exposed on the surface. It was smell left on the side, but not on the right target yet.
Is this the right target?
Yes.
Yes.
Digging. Find the bomb.
She found the hidden one. Okay, you see that exposed out?
Oh my god, that's so clever.
See the first
Get it out.
click, and then we reward the rat. So with just a little bit of peanut.
Aww.
You cannot really see. Okay? You get used to staying
Oh, he's
there.
looking.
You good? I know. It's okay.
When you shop, take a picture on your phone.
These people cut like all the time. But it becomes like a normal thing for us because we don't get really scratches all over the hands. Because the hands are soft.
Sadly, Magawa passed away January 2022, but he did receive a gold medal for his bravery while he was alive.
Why am I
myself a t-shirt.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Chickens. It's so good. Learning about all the hero rats. Rats. Really good day out. Worth coming here. It was $8 each to go in, and you can buy stuff to like donate towards schools. Obviously, Soph bought a t-shirt. So yeah, really good day out.
We love rats.
We love rats.
Too close. Yeah, we've just come into our room and we've got a new friend.
He's not a new friend.
Jesus. We were ready to pack our bags, but then the hotel came to the rescue.
It's on the window. Don't hit down. Don't put it on the floor! Where is it? Oh, bro. I've never been so cringed out in my life.
Bamboo Train. Just woken up.
So the bamboo train is basically just a train that's, as you guessed it, made out of bamboo. It rides up and down through some villages.
This bamboo train was located in Battambang and it was actually really fun, so you guys should check it out. It was only about $5 each, so not too expensive. After about a 20-minute ride on the train, you arrive at a village where you can have a little look around.
We stopped off to look around a little village.
There were so many cute little puppies at this village.
Oh, look. It's broken down.
Standard procedure.
What's going on? Is it working?
So once we got the tuk-tuk back up and running, it was time to head over to the Bat Cave. Wait for it, this is absolutely unreal.
So today it's cloudy, it's not so good sunset, you know?
Yeah, smoky.
I
reckon, you know what, I reckon we might do that.
Cheers.
Yeah,
Waiting for the bats to come out in Battambang.
You guys can share it.
On this really steep hill.
Yes. No, it's just good looking, like this.
The hill is nice. After a couple amazing days, it was time for us to leave Battambang and head over to Koh Rong Sanloem. I will leave a couple links in the description for some sites we use for transport.
So we've arrived at Koh Rong Sanloem. Yeah, it's a bit cloudy today. This is the beach that we've just been into.
Taking a travel sickness tablet, so I feel a little bit sleepy right now.
Yeah, we're just going to walk to our resort now because it's only like a 10-minute walk from here.
So hard to walk on sand with a big bag.
It is.
So after a pretty tough 15-minute walk with all of our bags on the beach, we were finally at our resort.
What are you doing?
Chilling.
Just arrived to our little beach bungalow. It is literally on the beach. The beach through that gap. Yeah, it's quite nice actually. Nice little bed, mosquito net. Yeah, nice wooden interior. Just like, it's simple but it's nice and clean. And it's got aircon, that's the main thing. Bathroom. Nice and big. So yeah, it's good. Sarah Sea Resort, Koh Rong Sanloem. Yeah, it's good, recommend it. Thank you for watching our video.
If you'd like to follow our journey, make sure you hit that like button, comment below and subscribe to our channel.
And if you'd like to be notified each time we post, then make sure you have the notification bell turned on below.